Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, and this is Burgh Unboxing. Now, there are two boxes that are the same, so because of weight, I'm only going to show you one, but this came, and I already took it out of the box, because it was amongst other stuff, and you will see the videos of all this Monday night or Tuesday morning, because I have no internet. T-Mobile cut off my internet on the Cool Pad hotspot, and they didn't send me a bill, a paper bill. They didn't send me an email. All of a sudden, my internet was gone. So I got to go to the store tomorrow. Kathy will be here tomorrow. I'll do a video on the iPad with Kathy. I don't know if there's any Wi-Fi hotspots going downtown here because Bear East is boarded up. That was the one that worked. There is the air cloud, but it's not exactly what I would. It's not secure, and the library, and that may not be on either. So I'm not going to get live at all. We will see, and I'll go to T-Mobile and get them to restore my internet on the Cool Pad Surf. So it's very annoying. I have no internet. I haven't had internet since Saturday night. I've had to buy a new phone too because the free Medicare phone completely stopped charging. And then this phone that my friend sent me, I couldn't find it because I couldn't see it. It was sitting on the duct tape above on top of the refrigerator. I didn't see it for 3 days. I went nuts looking everywhere for it, and I walk out of the kitchen, and there it is. So, okay, we have here, there are 48 cans for my kitties. Fancy Feast Seafood Grill Collection, Seafood Feast and Gravy, Tuna Feast and Gravy, and Salmon Feast and Gravy. So there are 48 cans. So that's enough to feed my kitties for a month and a half. So I don't have to worry about my kitties. I have to go get more Meow Mix. No, I think the other order is coming in tomorrow. I ordered 10 of these. Only one came. So they're coming in tomorrow. But here is Meow Mix for the outdoor kitties, Mama Cat, Kitten. I have not seen Orangey in 3 days. I don't know where he is. Tiny one. And the owner told me to stop feeding Chauncey the cat. I've been calling him Blackie. So I will stop feeding Chauncey. And the Sweet Gray. And at night, the Pretty Gray comes up for food. So his fur is getting much better. Now he's eating every day. I'm very happy to see that. He's getting more and more filled out and less frightened too. So, okay, we have tuna and whole shrimp and sauce, real salmon and ocean fish and gravy, and real tuna and crab and gravy. So there we have that. So there's one for the outdoor kitties. I still have enough, but this will feed them for 4 days. So I have enough for my cats for a month and a half. I still have a bag of Meow Mix here for the outdoor kitties. I have Iams. Amazon was out of Iams completely, my flavor. All right, there goes the box trying to escape. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe. If you want to donate to the channel, my PayPal account is falkie2013 at gmail.com, FALKIE 2013 at Gmail. Excuse me. And my address is George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. I have to pay my credit cards. I paid the rent. I have to pay my post office box rental and the coin dealer and the internet bill. I have enough for the internet bill. Kathy's going to loan me the money for the rest. She won't be happy about it, but I haven't got my stimulus check yet. And I had to buy some things that I needed, so I'm stuck. And I wish that check would come, that deposit would come. Kathy got one, and somebody else I know got one. Somebody in New Jersey I know got one. But nothing for me. And the vets are getting screwed. They aren't getting anything either. So a lot of people have not gotten their stimulus money. And they're really not happy about it. All right, have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.